Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another beautiful day on planet Earth. So today I've come down to just outside of Kimmeridge, which is on the south coast in Dorset, and we're going to have a wander down to the coastline, walk around the southwest coast path, and then climb up onto Swyre Head, and then descend down Smedmore Hill back to the car. So look at this, it's a telephone box, and it's got a phone in it. So we have got to get to the top of that big hill over there, and that looks quite steep. That's going to be fun. So just over there we've got Houndstout. Just over the Houndstout through the drop you've got the beautiful Chapman's Pool, and then you've got the coastal path that leads all the way to St Aldham's Head with the Coast Guard houses on the top, which is another absolutely stunning walk. Why does everything have to be muddy? Look at it. So I found a permissive path that leads me up to the top of Swyre Head. So it's going to go all the way up to the top of that beast. That's going to hurt. 208 meters above sea level.
Climbing up on Salisbury Hill,
Okay, let's have it.
I could see the city light. Wind was blowing, time stood still. Eagle flew out of the night. He was something to observe. Came in close, I heard a voice, standing, stretching every nerve. I had to listen, had no choice. I did not believe the information, just had to trust imagination. My heart going boom, boom, boom. Son, he said, grab your things, I've come to take you home.
So, hill update. Probably about halfway in distance by now, but definitely not halfway in height. I'm absolutely jiggered already. Not as fit as I used to be. Never mind, I must push on.
Open doors will soon be shut, so I went from day to day. My life was in a rut, till I thought of what I'd say, which connection I should cut. I was feeling part of the scenery. I walked right out of the machinery. My heart going boom, boom, boom. Hey, he said, grab your things, I'm gonna take you home. Hey, back home.
There's definitely going to be a drink and some chocolate at the top of this hill.
I'm never where I wanna be. At liberty, she pirouette. When I think that I am free, watch my empty silhouette. Who close their eyes but still can see. No one taught them any care. I will show another me. Today I don't need a replacement. I tell them what the smile on my face meant. My heart going boom, boom, boom. Hey, I said, you can keep my things, they've come to take me home.
So this is believed to be some kind of ancient burial mound. So I made it, guys. Not dead yet. Beautiful view. Cheers. Some beautiful views up here. You can see Kimmeridge Tower, Kimmeridge Bay, all the way over Tyneham, Lulworth. Then as you pan round, you can pick out the whole of the Purbeck Ridge. Should get views of Corfe Castle on the way down. You see the whole of Poole Harbour in the distance. Not sure if you can pick it out on the camera. And then the rest of the Purbeck Ridge that leads all the way over to Swanage and Old Harry Rocks. Descending now down Smedmore Hill from Swyre Head back to the car. It's been an absolutely awesome walk, really enjoyed it. It's been a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky, beautiful piece of coastline. We've certainly learned that I'm not as fit as I used to be. So I did something different with the video today, which is actually showing my face and talking, which I've never done before and not used to it at all. May not even put it in the video. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. And I'll see you the next time I go out for a walk somewhere along Dorset coast.